Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix error 195. AMD software installer cannot continue because it is unable to access the required web resources. So if you have this problem, if you encounter this problem, there is some cause. One of the cause is your internet connection is cut off when you are trying to install using the AMD auto detect and install tool. And also this may be caused by your system antivirus, firewall setting, or the AMD servers are temporarily offline for maintenance. For example, the point 4 based on AMD.com, the AMD servers may be temporarily offline due to the maintenance. It means you cannot do anything. You have just wait. The AMD servers are running normally. And of course, if the point 1, please make sure you're running latest version of the AMD auto detect and install tool. But I recommend you to click in here. Don't use the auto detect and just try to search your graphic card or driver manually. For example, you can graphic, select your graphic card, for example the RX 700 series and 7700 XT. Submit, choose your operating system, and you can try to download Adrenaline Edition here, latest version, instead of a auto detect and install tool. And also you can try to consider disabling your antivirus software temporarily on your system, of course, until the installation of the AMD software package is complete. And also you can configure your system firewall to allow traffic with AMD servers while the AMD software installer is running. So you can search on your Windows the firewall. You can type firewall, and here we go, allow an app through Windows firewall. Here try to check the box with the AMD. So the AMD driver will run allow traffic with AMD servers while the AMD software installer is running. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.